part of the 2000 renovation of the oceanfront walk. And Greta Kovar is doing an article for the current beachhead because
I got upset because Lance didn't get credit for his picture.
in this book.
This is the street island.
And then Emily redid.
This is such a cool show.
Can I move you on? Let's have a debate.
Sure.
Okay.
And then Emily did this. She
You claim for what? For genocide? You claim for genocide?
What do you call it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a genocide.
You think it's just, have you been there in Gaza? You haven't been there.
No.
So how can you tell it's a genocide if you haven't been there?
I trust.
I just proved you wrong.
No, you didn't.
Why?
It's all over
Have
the
you
news.
been there?
It's well
It's
known.
all over
It's
the
all
news.
over the news. Oh, so if it's all over the news, it's true.
And people,
If it's all over the news, it's true.
You see the list of names there?
Now,
Organizations.
now, my friend, now.
Genocide.
Peace. Now. Keep it peaceful, okay?
Yeah.
I'm peaceful. Peaceful. Keep it peaceful.
UN Commission of
Are you scared
Inquiry.
of me?
They call it a
Yes, I can go.
genocide.
Okay.
International Association of Genocide Scholars. They call it a genocide. U.S. Special Rescue Force on
Sorry, I have
Palestine.
ADD.
Call
I can't hear
it.
both.
They call it a genocide. UN High Commissioner for Human Rights.
So
They call it a
if they call
genocide.
it genocide, it's true.
Pope Francis called it a genocide.
They call it genocide,
International
it's true.
Court of Justice called it a
Why do you
genocide.
think it's not?
International
Because I've been there.
Commission of Jurists.
And
You
what-
said genocide,
You've
you've been
been
there.
Gaza,
Yes.
killing kids,
And then
killing IDF.
and blowing up hospitals?
And what?
I see it. Yeah, and what capacity were you in Gaza?
One by one, blowing up hospitals. If someone will shoot at your house from a hospital, what do you expect the government to do? Blow up the hospital, right?
No.
Why not?
Absolutely not.
Why not?
No.
Because hospitals are safe zones.
Safe
International
zone?
law.
Yeah.
So
International law.
Okay.
Where are you
So,
from? Are you
just
from
a
Israel?
second, just a
Are you
second.
from
I will
Israel?
answer your question if you let me answer. If
You're
you
a
let me
Zionist
answer.
pig. I don't
If
want to
you,
talk to you.
I'm a pig? I'm a pig?
You're ignorant.
That's what you do. You run away from a debate. So it just proved me wrong. I want to prove you wrong.
No.
Do you want to
You said
do
you
you want
were
to
in Gaza,
listen?
right?
Do you want to listen?
No.
I've been there. When you see,
Wait a minute. In what capacity were you there?
is it allowed? But is it allowed
In what capacity
to
were you?
fight?
Were you in? What capacity were you in Gaza?
I was there several times. I was.
When were you
Let
last?
me ask you a question.
When were you
Let me
last
ask you a
there?
question.
I'm asking you a question.
She talks about bombing a
When were you
hospital,
last?
right?
When were you last in Gaza?
A few years ago.
A few years ago.
Yes.
After
Yes.
October 7th.
No, before.
Before.
Yes.
So you don't know about
I
what's
know.
been going on in Gaza
I know.
since then.
I know.
How?
I know.
How?
Live streaming from Gaza.
Okay.
For my friends that lives over there. Do you believe me?
I see live streaming
Do
here.
you believe me?
Do you have friends
Now,
that live in Gaza?
Yes.
And how are they doing?
They blame Hamas for everything, not Israel. They blame Hamas. Now, if you want to listen and you want to educate yourself, you listen. It just proves you wrong, right? I have friends that live in Gaza, they are suffering from Hamas. So if I'm telling you that you're wrong, my friend.
No. I was. And where were you in Gaza?
Where was in Gaza?
You are like my father. I tell you, it's true.
Where were you in Gaza?
Look,
20 years ago?
what is it? Who is this boy? Do you know this boy? I know this boy. I will tell you his name. You can go online and look for it. Do you know this boy? This boy, Israel took it from Gaza and took it on a plane to get medical care because he have a unique disease. So you put the picture over here like Israel did something
No,
and
that's not
stopped
that
him.
point. That's a different point you're talking
No.
No.
This one.
Look that up. Look that picture up. It's not the one you're talking about.
It's
You're
the
talking
same
about the
one.
that
Same one.
Very white.
Same one.
No, it's not. No,
telling
it's
you.
not. No, it's not.
Telling you, it's the same boy.
It's not the
I
same
didn't
boy.
check that.
I did check
You want me to open and show you?
Huh?
You-
Yeah. Take a picture of that and do a Google search on it.
I will show
and
you.
we'll see what it
I will
says.
show you.
You can resolve that easily. But personally, I think you are the guys
I will
that
show you.
not only supports the genocide, but apparently contributed to it. And you also support the genocide. You support this stuff going on. And
I'll
you try
show
to
you.
deny it,
Osama
not going on,
Arakan.
but it is. You just justify attacking a hospital.
Of course. And I will say it again. If you stand in the hospital and you shoot at me, I will shoot back. Will you do the same if I stand inside the hospital and I shoot at you?
No, I wouldn't shoot at the hospital.
You wouldn't shoot at me? So what do you do? Would you raise your hands and run away?
No, no.
So what would you do? What would you do?
Well, one thing, I would get my ass out of Gaza.
This is the boy. They're using him for several pictures.
That's not the same picture. That's not the same picture. Get the same picture. That's not the same picture. That's not the same boy. Take a picture of that picture and do a search on that picture.
Why are you scared of hearing the truth?
Because this is
I've
the
been there.
truth.
Why are you scared of hearing the truth? What truth?
Just because you say you've been there.
Go to Kaiser over here. I will stand inside Kaiser. I will shoot at you and you're not allowed to shoot back because I'm standing inside the hospital. That's insanity.
No,
you don't
no.
believe yourself.
They bomb hospitals. They bomb hospitals.
Okay, why is that?
Huh?
Why is that?
To destroy the hospital. To destroy healthcare in
Did
Gaza.
you hear? Did you
Destroy. They bomb every hospital in Gaza.
How everything? No.
No, they have. They have.
That's not true.
Practically every
That's not
hospital.
true.
Yes, they have.
That's not
Yes,
true.
they have.
That's a lie. See, that's a lie. But I'm not surprised because if you share the same opinion with the people that call me a Zionist pig, you probably have the same opinion.
Are you a Zionist?
I am a Zionist.
You
And I'm
believe all
proud
that?
of it.
You believe all
I'm
that?
proud of it. You know what it means to be a Zionist? That Israel belongs to Jewish people. That's it. That's it. Everyone can live in Israel, but it belongs to the Jewish people. And over here, we die.
That's a Jewish supremacist.
How many Muslims country do you have over the world, worldwide? How many Muslims country?
What does that have to do with it?
Yeah, what
How
does that have
many?
to do with anything?
Over 20, right?
What does that have to do
Over
with it?
20?
What's the point?
How many Jewish countries you see out there? How many? One. And 2 million Arabs live in Israel as citizens. They get the same rights that the Jewish kids over there.
You've talked enough.
No,
Let me tell you what you're doing.
What am I doing?
You're threatening the Jews in the world.
Why?
What happened in,
I'm threatening the Jews on the war?
Yeah.
What are you talking about? What are you
By
talking
promoting
about?
a genocide in
What are you
Gaza
talking about?
in the name of
What
the
is
Jewish
the
people.
definition of Zionist? What is the definition of Zionist? You just shout
not a
stuff.
religion.
What
It's
is
not a
the
religion.
Israel is what?
Zionism
Israel
is
is,
not
no,
a
no, she
religion.
said something and it's wrong and I want to hear it. So,
I live in
Zionist,
Israel, all my friends Muslim.
and he speaks Arabic, and they get the same rights as him.
Picture, all my friends.
Like Zionism is
What are you talking about? If you go to Gaza right now, they're gonna tell you you're crazy. They don't believe it. In Gaza, these people that you see that are suffering, they're gonna tell you, what are you talking about? Propaganda.
Sheikh, my friends, all my friends, all my friends in
Yeah.
WhatsApp, Arabic.
No finger, just no finger, okay?
And I love the Muslim,
Yes.
but it's not okay.
Yeah.
I love the Muslim, and I speak Arabic. I love the Muslim, but this is not okay.
We were all over the world.
You saying this
We
is
were
not
all over. We
happening?
spread it around the world.
All
And
these
then what happened?
pictures.
The Holocaust. The Holocaust was a genocide. I don't remember you or your parents sit with this in the street. Don't stop the Holocaust, right?
I am named for a Jew.
Yeah.
I slept with my father
Okay.
across Europe in World War II
What is it related?
because he was an American.
What is it related?
Like what close thing?
But what is it related? Are you trying to prove that you're not what? Racist? It doesn't matter. A Zionist means that the Jewish people deserve a country. That's it. The Jewish people deserve one country. One country. There are 1, 2, not even 1, 2 from the world. From the
No ethnic or religious group deserves a country of their
Go
own.
educate yourself and come back over.
Nobody deserves a country
We love you.
where they're supremacists.
Sorry.
Yeah.
No, I'm sorry.
Welcome to my world.
I had fights this morning.
Huh?
In Hanukkah last night. I mentioned Hanukkah to my son. We had a beautiful Hanukkah, the first one in forever. Everything was gorgeous. And I had to open my mouth and say Gaza. My son said,
I'm good, yeah.
This guy was shouting at you, I don't like it.
I know.
I was looking, if he touches you one time, I come over with the guitar and smash his head.